I'm back from moonlighting at your local mall and I look absolutely snatched as an elf. Well, you better believe it. It's that wonderful time of year and it's the December ClickBank top offers and they've dropped and they're merry and bright. So we have some new offers, some classic offers, and unlike Santa, we don't discriminate based on if you're naughty or nice, just if you convert and make money. So if you're on our list, these offers are for you. So get cozy, roast some chestnuts, hang some mistletoe, and sit back for the last installment of the 2023 Top Offers content. So let's wrap up, or shall I say, unwrap, this year with a hurrah. In spot number 5, we have a beloved 2023 classic, and that is Care Essentials. This offer has been an evergreen choice this year and boasts a still impressive APV and conversion rate. For those of you just tuning in, Care Essentials is a blend of all natural oils that support podiatry health and eliminate that nasty foot fungus. And let me tell you folks, there's nothing that says happy holidays less than foot fungus. And honestly, like, you fit in that boot, it's nasty, you have your like ski or your snowboard socks, it's just not great. This supplement features ingredients like tea tree, lavender, lemongrass, and more, providing those toesies with a nice herbal experience that keeps them healthy. Affiliates love this offer because the VSL is awesome, the conversion rate is amazing, and the landing page is super attractive. Just because sandal season is over doesn't mean your foot health isn't important. Head over to the marketplace today to check out those stats and grab your affiliate link. So let's talk about those stats. Has an EPC of $1.33, an average payout value of $116.85, and a hop conversion rate of 1.14%. That is awesome. And about this time of year, you're either testing into strong headwinds for diet and weight loss to be ready for Q1, or you're looking for things that actually do make you money, like this. This is one of those offers that's outside of the box because nobody's looking to lose weight around Thanksgiving and Christmas, and this is a great offer, so go promote it. At number 4, we got Joint Genesis. And if you've ever heard of cracking your knees, hip, or ankle and think, dang, if only had some WD-40s for this joints, and if only I wasn't almost WD-40. Well, even if you personally haven't, many others have, and Joint Genesis is coming through with something even better than Hinge lubricant. Joint Genesis has 4 proprietary joint supporting ingredients that thicken up the synovial fluid in joints by upping the production of the hyaluronan molecules, and I totally know what that is. Smolder. If you don't believe me, you gotta check out the customer reviews for Joint Genesis. This offer is incredible. The APV is amazing, the affiliate tools are top notch, and people everywhere are loving their quiet joints and increased mobility. And obviously this offer is performing best with audiences age 50 or up, or maybe a little elder millennial. It's a great choice for both new affiliates and seasoned pros, so check out the landing page and get your links to start promoting today. So let's talk about those stats. Has an EPC of $1.14, an average payout value of $130.42, and a hop conversion rate of 0.87%. And you're probably thinking, it's below 1%, but this has a lot of people promoting a lot of different skill levels, and it's doing well. And if you look at diet and weight loss around this time, that hop conversion rate is going to kind of plummet as we get into December. This one will stay more steady. So go promote it, get to it. So if you're like me and having to moonlight at the local mall, you're probably looking for a little extra cash and you're probably thinking, what can I do? Well, we got Spark. If you're just somebody out there looking for a side job, or if you're looking how to get better at what you do and be a great affiliate marketer, Spark is a great program that's going to teach you the basics and the advanced to get you going and make your first sale, and how to take advantage of all these great offers. So go, get it, and it's awesome. And here we go for spot number 3. And no, it's not 3 French hens, it's NeuroRise. Man, we're just hitting it with the Christmas puns. NeuroRise is a supplement designed to support memory, hearing health, and ease tinnitus because while jingle bells may be festive during the holidays, try hearing them ring in your ears 24/7. Ain't good, ain't nice. So this proprietary blend doesn't contain stimulants, it isn't habit forming, and it has plenty of awesome reviews. The affiliate tools page is exceptional, and folks, the APV, it's nuts. More than $155 per sale, and easily one of the highest average payouts for an offer that converts this well. You're not gonna wanna miss out on this. Trust me, head over to the marketplace, grab your affiliate link and start promoting, because you're gonna want an EPC that we're seeing on average of $1.62, an average payout value of $156.81, and a hop conversion rate of 1.03%. Like, wow. That is awesome, and that's really great during this time of year, and it's one of those offers that is going to convert in November and December when you are having to buy traffic against fourth quarter traffic, and you're having to be a puppy in the window for people's inboxes. It's awesome. Go promote it. And at number 2, we have Flow Force Max. It's dropped down, not far, but it's still there at number 2. So Flow Force Max is a candy designed to deliver a proprietary formula of all natural ingredients to the prostate and related regions. So giving customers a leg up against infections with plenty of upsell opportunities, a clean landing page, just like your whistle, and honestly, just the fact that a prostate infection sounds like a nightmare, this offer is doing incredible. And who doesn't want to stave off a prostate infection, especially around this time of year? Do you really want to be like sitting there in a Walmart, like on Black Friday, they're just like, ugh. So this supplement is thriving in the men over 50 segment, obviously. So check out the affiliate tools and see if this offer could be the next big thing for you. Then head over to the marketplace and you know the drill, just grab the link, okay? So what are those numbers? An EPC of $1.29, an average payout value of $130.17, and has a hop conversion rate of nearly 1%. And this is one of those offers that does well no matter what the month is, because no matter what the month is, guys still have prostates. So go, promote it, and get out there. Now you're probably wondering, what's right at the top? Well, in spot number 1, we have Purivive. And Purivive is a proprietary blend of tropical nutrients and plant concoctions by German scientists. According to the minds behind Purivive, the product dissolves belly fat by increasing brown adipose tissue. I think I said that right, and I think you did too. With reviews, scientific journal citations, and clean and appealing branding, Purivive is the perfect offer for affiliates looking to cash in on those upcoming New Year's resolutions. You know the ones that are about right here in a bowl full of jelly. This is the one and only weight loss offer trending in the top offers right now. So if you're feeling like this could be big, which it will be sure you jump on the opportunity, grab your link today, head over to the marketplace, beat the stats, and get promoting now. Seriously, it's awesome. It has an EPC of $1.42, an average payout value of $140.76, and a hop conversion rate of 1.01%, and it's a diet and weight loss offer in November and December. So get testing. And even if you're not going to promote this diet and weight loss offer in January, use this one to test your creative, test your landing, test your ads. You know it's going to convert, you know it has throughput, and you're going to be able to get a lot of data so you're ready for Q1 with the offer you want to go with. Promote it, it's awesome, and the team there is great. Man, it's been 12 months already, and I still haven't left this room. And what a year it was. Prostadine showed up on the list more times than not. And remember when Prodentin was the talk in the town, even after it'd been out for a year? We saw Lean Belly Juice, Cortexi, Neotonics. Alpaline was all the rage in the first half, and Pelvic Floor Strong made the list a few times too. All in all, it was an awesome 12 months, and we couldn't have done it without you. That's right. You at home. I'm talking to you. Yes, you, Brian. To our viewers who are actively promoting and to those just getting started, we're thankful for all your hard work and hustle. We're here to kick ass in 24. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the marketplace, grab your link, and start promoting. I'm begging you, please just promote it. They won't let me out of this room. I've been here for 12 months. They're making me wear weird costumes at this point. It's humiliating. Please subscribe. They said if they don't subscribe, it can't leave. And happy holidays, everybody.